comfort of a recliner with the features of a massage chair for the ultimate experience. With a form that suits any lifestyle. The new SANYO Zero Gravity Relaxation Chair. Bringing you true comfort with recliner features. Just turn on the power and with one touch recline into the ideal position for relaxation. The zero gravity position. At the ideal angle of 30 degrees, uniform weight distribution minimizes stress throughout the body. This weightlessness is the ultimate in reclining comfort. From upright to fully flat, receive a gentle full-body stretch with air massage to relieve body fatigue. The seat and back move together in a smooth reclining motion, or can be independently adjusted. The armrests adjust automatically as the chair reclines. The built-in control panel makes operation easy. The footrest can be independently operated, and the headrest adjusted to your liking. Find your favorite position for total relaxation. Relieve fatigue through light stretching with gentle air massage. The various airbags inflate independently, gently moving your waist and back, stretching muscles to loosen tensions with a soft massage that improves circulation. The chair also offers a thigh and calf massage, full body healing with the relaxing comfort of zero gravity. Select stretch or relax. 2 full body air programs. Recline in comfort for total relaxation. SANYO Zero Gravity Relaxation Chair. Available in black, cream, and brown to suit any interior.